In this video, we will talk about how to fix 2026-03 security update KB5079473 not installing in Windows 11. If you have tried everything and yet your problem is not solved, then this video is for you. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left, click on System. Scroll down, select Recovery. In Reset This PC, click on Reset PC. Select Keep My Files. Then, Local Reinstall. As you can understand, we are resetting our PC with keeping all files. I would recommend you read about it before you reset your PC. Click on Next and reset your PC. After performing a reset, you will be able to install Windows Update. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.